Hey friends, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So you might have clicked this video because you also wanted to learn on how to change your Google Chrome background. So stay tuned in this video because this video tutorial is for you. So the very first thing that you have to do is to first check if your Google Chrome is up to date. So how you'll be able to know if your Google Chrome is up to date, just click this three dots on the upper right corner and then just click this help and then about Google Chrome. So after that, you will be directed to this and you'll be able to see if your Chrome is up to date or not. But then if your Google Chrome is not up to date, as you go here in the about Chrome, you will be able or it will automatically update itself. So now we are going to add new tab and then we're just going to click this one, which means you can customize your page already. So now as I clicked it, I'm just going to click change theme. So in here we will be able to choose whether we like the default Chrome, which is just a plain white background. We can also upload an image and choose whatever picture you wanted to use as your Google Chrome background. Or you can also use this solid colors. So we have here different colors. And another thing is you can also choose from here in this given various pictures. So now let's try also this one. So I wanted to use this. Okay, so now I successfully changed my Google Chrome background. So that's just the easy steps on how to change your Google Chrome background. So I hope you like this video, and if ever you like this video, please give us your thumbs up. And if you find this video helpful for you, then hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be updated on our new upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you on our next tutorials. Goodbye.